Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Have you wondered, in Pakistan there could be something that beats the international market? You haven't wondered that Pakistan has gone so far in the premiumness and luxuriness in the food also. So today I'm reviewing something that will get you a new perspective of Pakistan, that Pakistani thing could feel international quality. So don't forget to like this video, drop a comment down below which item should I review next, and subscribe to my channel, and let's start the video with the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful.
You're all I need now. Alhamdulillah. Ala kulli hal.
Today I am reviewing something from a well-known brand called Kebabjis, and I have their premium water. Kebabjis premium bottle, and they have a lot of variety of things, but in this I would say that they have gone so far that they have gone international quality, and I have not seen a water in this price of range that could be in a category of premiumness and also category of luxuriness. This bottle of water, this bottle looking and giving me the feel that of an international brand, and they have quite worth a lot of things on this bottle. I was ordering something from Kebabjis for the food, and I saw their premium water, so I said why not to try this and also let you know that if you are willing to buy this, is it worth it or not. Let's give it this try. I will not drink it from my, I have this glass of, and I will pour into it and then I will try this. Let's see how this is different than other waters. And let me tell you one more thing, that a lot of international brands in this bottle of water, they gave spring water, but this is mineral water as it mentioned here. And I have also tried, last time I have tried their bottle of water that they launched it in Kebabjis Bakers, but that was not up to the mark. So let's see how this tastes. So let's give it a first taste. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. From the freshness of the water, it is very fresh water and it is very light. I would say that it's better than the normal bottle of water that they launched, and that was very enriched with sodium and that was giving too much salty taste. But this has gone so far, so I would say you should try this, and this is worth it. But the price is quite high, and for this price of range, I would say that they could do couple of things. Number one, the bottle is good, but they have put in the sticker. I would suggest them to put the printing on the bottle. That would do a great job and give this more luxury premium feel. And the water, I would say that I have drank the spring water and this tastes exact as spring water, but this is a mineral water and it's not tasting as a mineral water, and it's better than all the mineral waters available internationally. I would say international brands have not done what Kebabjis have done so far. So proud to be Pakistani, be Pakistani, buy Pakistani. So with this note, I would end this video. I would suggest you to try this. So meet you in the next video. Do let me know what next should I try. Do comment down below. And if you are interested in this niche of unboxing, nutrition and food videos, so do subscribe to my channel. Meeting in the next video. This is me, Muraftab Tunio, signing off. Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.